In this Straico review, I'm going to be showing you an AI platform packed with content writing tools and an image generator to enhance productivity. Make sure you stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you a complete tutorial of Straico later in this video. Now let's get back to AppSumo. So it is best for content creators, entrepreneur, curious small businesses, and you can have integrations with GPT 3.5 Turbo, GPT-4 and Stability.ai, and it's an alternative to Copy.ai and Jasper. And the features that is included are GDPR compliant and AI. So Straico lets you generate text and visual content with AI. You can enter your contact details, you can store and modify your creation. So this is like a screenshot of the dashboard of Straico, and you can get personalized prompt tools as well. And there's another screenshot, and you will also get predefined prompt tools, which I'm going to be showing you in the tutorial. Now you can create and edit AI generated images. You can save your favorite generated images, and you can also specify what you don't want to include in your image, which all I'm going to be showing in you the tutorial. Now let's go to the plans and feature. As you all know, you'll always get a lifetime access to Straico if you purchase it. And they also provide a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't like the product, you can return it back to them within 60 days of trying. So they provide high-quality AI image generation using Stable Diffusion XL or DALL 3. And you can download these, upload and download these file in PDF, TXT, docs, and PowerPoint presentation. And they have access to over 20 different AI models, which is actually pretty great. I'm going to be showing you all these models later in the video. Now let's get into the pricing. So the license tier 1 is gonna cost you $59, then license tier 2 is gonna cost you $99, then the license tier 3 is gonna cost you $149. So if you look at the first tier, you can see that these models give 60 so the GPT-4 Turbo gives you up to 63,000 monthly words. Then the Claude 3 Opus model will give you about 20,000 monthly words, and the Claude 3 Sonnet is gonna give you up to 100,000 monthly words, which is actually pretty great. So you can buy this license tier based on your choice and preferences. Before we jump into the tutorial, I would like to mention that there is an affiliate link in the video description. So if you want to buy Straico, make sure you buy it from my link, as it can give me a small commission, which kind of motivates me to make these informative videos every single day. Now let's jump into the tutorial. So I am in the image section of Straico. So I can kind of put what I want, what my image want to look like. So let's just change the prompt. I don't have much prompt with me, so I'm gonna go with the prompt that is given by Straico. So you can change the prompt by pressing this button over here. I'm going to go with this giant robot fighting in a futuristic city with buildings falling and explosion all around, intense, fast-paced, dramatic style and futuristic. So this is my prompt. And there is a negative prompt. So suppose you have generated the prompt, and if you don't like the prompt, or if there is anything that you want to remove from that image, you can type the things over here. So that is negative prompt. You can use it after you have generated the image. Now comes enhance. So this is the so how do you want your image to look like? Whether it is an enhanced style, anime style, photographic style, digital art, comic book, fantasy art, analog film, and so on. So I'm gonna go with anime for now, because I'm an anime fan. So I'm gonna go with anime. Now you can upload the image if you want, but I'm not gonna do anything like that. Okay, and there is this advanced option also. So in the advanced option you can see what model the image is being generated. So there is Stable Diffusion version 2.1, then version 1.6. So you can choose these models based on your needs, but I'm just gonna go with the beta version and I'm gonna run it. So it is gonna cost me 80. So this is how much it's gonna cost me. Now as you can see, the image has been generated. I think it is a fantastic image. I like how it has turned out. Let me click this one. As you can see, it is an amazing anime. Okay, and you can see here the model that has generated this anime, and also the prompt right over here. So make sure your prompt is actually really good in order to make these amazing images. So this is the ratio, this is the size, and this is the anime style. Now let's close. Now let's go to the chat of Straico, and in here you can use all these prompt templates that you can try. There is a grammar fixer, then there is a CV evaluation for job call, then you have so on, and also you can ask Noah Kagan, the CEO at AppSumo. You can talk as him. You can talk to Elon Musk, and these are all the prompts. Now let's go ahead and try this one. So they're asking me the variable, hey, how's your Dogecoin? That's what I'm gonna ask them. Now there's some attachment as well. So there's an interview, and you can see the prompt also, and I'm going to insert it right now. Okay, now I'm going to press enter. As you can see, Elon Musk is talking to me as this model. So you can do this. So the model has generated me an amazing response. You can read it right now if you want. Now let me show you. You can change the models. Okay, you also can change the models. So you can combine, maybe I think 4 is the maximum. You can combine all the models to generate these chats. So I'm gonna select all these 3 and I'm gonna select it. So as you can see, the current text models are Claude 3 Haiku, Dolphin 2.0 and GPT 3.5 Turbo. Now let's just ask, how's your life? Now as you can see, all the 3 models has been is being generating these responses. You can get these responses from all the 3 models. Okay, Cloud 3 Haiku has made an amazing response. Dolphin 2.0 has also generated me. I guess there is some error because I interrupted by pressing it while it was generating. Then comes the GPT 3.5, which also has given an amazing response. So, and also you can change to the dark mode if you want, which is not that game changing, but I prefer the lighter version. So this is where you can check your coins, how much coins you have, and with the coins you can actually do all this. You can buy it, And also there is a book like thing in the right corner, you can press on it. So there is already prompts that has been made by the Straico teams. You can see that you can create image with DALL-E. So it basically shows you what prompt is required, what model is required for a particular job. So for image generation, DALL-E performs really good. So for writing grammar fix, it is better if you use GPT-4 Turbo, and so on. So for image prompting, GPT-4 Turbo is good, and all that. You can create all this prompt and stuff. Then there is career development resources for fun, educators, affiliate marketing, SEO, expert, YouTube growth, LinkedIn boosters, Instagram boosters, and so on. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review of Straico. If you want to check it out, make sure you click the link in the description, and I hope to see you on another review video.